Hey guys, this is just going to be a quick video showing off a kind of neat Megaminx last slot, last layer method for that's not meant for speed solving, though you probably could try it. It's something I worked on a little bit today and finished up documentation for. And I haven't seen any other documentation for this sort of thing. I know other people have played with it some, but I'll have a link to the quick sheet I threw together earlier today. But basically, it's like ZZD on Megaminx. So I will start with a last slot, last layer scramble. Wow, this is all just F moves, huh? That's really funny. All right, so basically, once you get to like the last slot in S2L before you do last layer, you would solve EO and build the pair and put it here. So that would be step 1. The next step is you recognize the CP, or corner permutation. And so what we'll do is we use an ALG to solve this last pair and solve the CP. So the way it works is we look at whatever corner is right here, touching the pair, and then we have 4 remaining corner spots, which we number 1, 2, 3, and 4, just to make it easy to have names for the cases. But basically, you look at this corner that's touching the pair, and you determine what corner goes to the right of it. So here, to make it easy to show you, this is the blue-orange corner. So blue is here. This corner would go here when it's solved. Then one that's on the right is the orange-green corner. So where is it? It's in position 1, position 2. So this is the first spot. So we see this goes, the one on the right of this corner, it should be this orange-green corner. So this is 2, and then what corner needs to go on the right of this corner? Well, orange-green, so now we need this next green one, which is this green-pink one corner. I don't know if I just twisted that back the right way. So now we have 2 numbers, 2, then 3, and that's all we need to identify the case. So to 2 and then 3. So I look up in the ALG sheet what case is 2, 3, and then I do the ALG. And now, okay, good, I did twist it correctly. Now you can see the CP is solved. So all the corners are in the right spots relative to each other, as you can see here. So then the next step, so at this point, if you wanted to be an absolute madman, you could learn like a absolute unit amount of ALGs to solve one look last layer with the corner solved. Good luck with that if you want to try that. Us mortals do not do such crazy things. But so for like a 2-look system, basically you would just solve the corner orientation while preserving CP. So for this case, the ALG goes like this. And then you just are left with EPLL. Oops. So yeah, that's just kind of the neat, interesting little method. I will have a link to my little document I threw together with this information, but I thought I would record a video about it just because it's kind of a neat little cube theory thing that I finished documenting today, because I decided I'm gonna stop procrastinating some of these projects. You know what, I'll do one more example just because I do think it's kind of fun, and it does still kind of feel like magic because of how simple things are. Obviously you can also use like ZZ on Megaminx, so you once you get to last slot, you just build the pair and go into it and skip the EO step. So for here, no, that's the bad solution. We do this one, and then we have the pair. So then 4, 3, So the alg for 4-3 goes like this. Let's see. And then this one's just a standard OCLL alg. But yeah, that's the cool CPLS, CP solved last layer kind of thing you can do. I don't know like what the limits for speed solving is. It's probably not good. But if it's something interesting to you, go for it. I just thought it was a cool part of like some cube theory worth showing off. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.